Hi everyone, my name is Jaime Cabrera. I'm a Master in Global Policy Studies here at OBJ, and this is actually, I'm new to Texas, and I'm going to show you this event that they have for us. It's called Going to Texas, where I'm going to learn everything about Texas and LBJ and UT in general. So, keep posted.
Hi, I'm Nick. Excited to be here in Austin, Explorer City, and go check out the football games. So, come on.
So, right now, Dean Evans is going to show me how to do my first hookah. So, how do I do it?
Okay, so when I first got to the University of Texas, Austin, I didn't know a hookah for anything.
Okay.
So I saw people doing this, and I thought, well, where I come from, if you turn this around a little bit, like, and you rotate it, it's not a very good thing to show people. So I got over that. I told people, don't worry about that. You have to put it out like the horns of a bull.
Oh.
Some people put it out like that, that's not how you do it. Some people put it out like that, that's not how you do it. You have to spread them so that when people are looking at it, it looks like the horns.
Okay.
So that's perfect.
That's
First
like
try.
this?
First try. Way to go. Congratulations.
All right.